Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to send videos on WhatsApp Desktop using your Windows computer. First, open WhatsApp Desktop and select the conversation where you want to send the video. Now, look at the bottom of the chat window, next to the message box. Click the plus or attachment icon. You'll see different options for sharing content from your computer. Select Photos and Videos. A file selection window will now appear. Browse through your folders and find the video you want to send. Select the video and click Open. WhatsApp will now prepare the video and show you a preview before sending it. Take a moment to make sure you selected the correct video. If everything looks good, click the Send button. As you can see, the video is now being sent to the selected chat. Depending on the video size and your internet connection, uploading may take a few moments. Once the upload is complete, the video will appear in the conversation, and the recipient can open and watch it. You can also select multiple videos if you want to share more than one file at the same time. If you accidentally choose the wrong video, you can remove it from the preview and select a different file before sending. Sending videos from WhatsApp Desktop is useful when the video is already saved on your computer. You don't need to transfer the video to your phone first. Simply open the chat, choose the attachment option, select your video, and send it. So the process is very simple. Open a chat, click the attachment icon, choose Photos and Videos, select your video, and click Send. And that's how you can send videos on WhatsApp Desktop in 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.